Okay, Moise?
Yeah.
This is a third session. So typically here it's very easy. We just get whatever line, we strip it from the spaces and we split it based on the comma and we get the fields. Perfect, right? So, but in the CSV, there is one additional step.
Okay.
So you have to use the CSV reader like that, and whatever comes out, you will pass it to the CSV read. You put it in a variable.
Is dot reader? What is that? What is that?
CSV dot reader, yes.
Okay, so dot reader just reads a given file.
Yes, it reads it's specifically for CSV. Yes.
It's specifically just for CSV.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. And then, but again, when you use it like that, you cannot use split the way that we used before. So you have to use this way. So the data that we are we want the data as a list. Previously we only get it using just simple line, but here we have to go every item for item in row here.
Oh, this is the other type of for loop you were showing me, right?
Yes, it's a different for loop. So the previous for loop was quite easy.
Yeah.
So just this is just a for loop in one line. We don't need to put any for loops here, but with the CSV reader we have to put a for loop. You are not able to use a strip, same like you do it with a normal
I see.
with a normal file like that. You cannot do that. You have to use it this way. That's different. That's a slight difference between the CSV reader and reading normal text file. Okay. So again, this is a row. So it's here for every item in row. You take list comprehension before, so it should be somehow not so difficult.
Yes, no, I understand.
Okay, so you will strip every item from here and you put it in a list. So at the end, data, it is a list now.
I have a quick question.
Yes.
What is the, I don't think we mentioned it. What is inside of the CSV dot reader, the fin?
You mean what is fin?
Yeah.
Fin is this one.
Pass that as a variable or?
Wait, it's if okay, sorry, because I bring fin from my own code, but so here, if you open, it depends on the variables that you come out here. If you call this file, then you have to pass it a file.
Yeah, no, I understand. So what did fin mean?
So this is a variable. This is a variable that return from you. It's a file handle.
Oh, I see. Okay, so you just use fin as your file handler. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
It's a file handle. Yes. Okay. So okay. Did I make it clear now?
Yeah.
Okay. So once you have the data, you need what? Yeah. Okay. So let's. Okay. Now you can see the code, right? So. Yep. Now I'm giving a file handle as fin, and then I say next fin. Why I say next fin?
Oh yeah, next. You showed me this earlier for the lab that I was doing too.
Yes. So next fin is the trick to pass the first line and don't read it, because you don't need it actually. This is a line that defines for you the contents of the text file. Okay. Okay. Good. And then we take a reader, we pass it onto the for loop, and here is what we already explained, right? So he is telling us we have so no. Let me go back. So Maurice, actually, this guy is giving us two kind of classes here. He's giving us a card class and an app class. Okay, so the app class actually contain all the information that is we are going to read from the text CSV file. So we got an ID, name, developer, description, price, rating, category. So that is the information we're going to read. And he is asking us here, so once we read the CSV file, an apps item will be created and saved to a dictionary called category dictionary. So we will pass the information that we read from the CSV file to an apps object. Okay, the apps object actually it is an instant of the app class.
Okay. Do we have to define an app class?
Sorry again?
I said, do we have to define an app class, you said?
No, I don't get you. What do you mean by that? Sorry.
Okay, I see it right here.
Yes. Okay. So that is a class app. Okay, and it should, so everything we read is considered an object of app. So every line we read from the CSV should be converted into an app object. Okay. So we can do that easily. I think you have done something like that before.
Something like this I have done, yeah.
Yes. Okay. So you either pass it this way, or you can use also asterisk data. Is up to you. Okay.
Yeah.
And the point here that so you create an app, but I believe that let me see here. Yeah. So you create an app here, but I don't see that you're. Let me see here. Okay. So the three dictionaries here is class variables. We have three class variables here, which is three dictionary: category dictionary, rating dictionary, and price dictionary. So
yeah.
this one as a start will actually take the category. So you pass here a category.
Okay.
And then you will use that category to insert that category to insert the app inside the app class inside here, inside the dictionary.
Okay.
Okay. And let me see. So you also need to create another two more dictionaries that's in the same way: rating dictionary and let me see price dictionary. Where is the price dictionary here? Yeah, price dictionary. So the point here, Moy, is that this guy is trying to actually no. The trick here is that you have three different dictionaries, and these three different dictionaries is a class one. So class means that it will last, or it will be available for all the classes or the objects that you create.
I see.
Okay. And you will have the three of them, and the three of them will have overlap in the information. Why? Because, okay, so when you have a marketing category, you will collect all the list of objects. So, okay, now let me put it this way. So we assume that we have dictionary, okay, cat dict like that, okay? And inside it, we will have marketing category, okay? And then we have a list like that. So we have app 1, app 2, app 3, or whatever. And then we have I think store design. This is also another category. And we have also maybe app 4 and app 1. Did I make sense to you? So do you know what this app means? So app is an object of the
Of the app
class app.
class.
Yes.
Yeah.
And it have different information from app 2 and app 3.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So but the point he is trying to do here is that he is trying to categorize or group information that is related together in different dictionaries. So he want to make a dictionary that is related to categories. He want to collect, to how to say, to arrange, because again you can only achieve what he's trying to achieve now by using SQL or databases, but he's not having a database here. So
Mm-hmm.
so he's trying to group the information according to the marketing category, to the category. So in marketing, he say, okay, which uh, application is under the marketing category? He collected in a list here in the key. And which app is related to store design? He collected in a list here, and so on. And then he do again. He go to the price dictionary,
Uh-huh.
and he put here, instead of a category marketing, he put you can put it string, you can put it integer, but I prefer you put it in an integer, is more easier.
Okay.
Here's a slight trick. So he is grouping the applications based on the price. So for $1, he will group maybe application 10
Mm-hmm.
and maybe 23 and maybe 30, for example. Okay, so this is under $1 price. And here he will not use store design anymore. So under $2 price, he will have app 4 and app 1. Under, or even app 10, it doesn't, I mean, oh, of course, no, it should not be overlap here. But what I want to say is that he will group based on the prices here. And also he will do the same for rating. But so you see, he have also a rating dictionary.
Rating div and price. Okay.
Okay, so rating, it will be similar, but the trick here is that you have to convert. He will say that from 4.5 until 4.9 will be stored under the key 4,
Okay.
and from 1 until 1.99 will be stored under
Oh, I see.
under 1, under the
And then you
key
have to do market
1.00.
category dictate.
So when you have something like that, so it means that if you look here, let me see the price. So the price, as you can see here, this is the price, 1.99. Okay, so sometimes you have a float, so you need to convert that into an integer. Okay, that is, this is a slight trick. So even converting that also is not straightforward. Even converting that is not straightforward. Okay, it is. So I will leave it for you to think about it. You need to use integer, int between square brackets. I think you know that, but
Yeah.
you will also face something. So if you use it correctly, yes, it will end up having the correct key. If not, it will keep throwing to you an error.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And yeah. So Moise, tell me, do you want to go more into the project, or we should stop here and then little by
Yeah.
little
I
we?
was gonna say we could end here for today because I have to go to sleep really soon.
Okay, sure. Yeah, no problem.
And then I'll schedule something either for Wednesday or Thursday.
Okay, that's good.
Okay.
But Moise, my advice to you, if you if I explain something to you in the project is big.
Uh-huh.
So it is good that I see also how you think, so that believe me, it helps. So once the information is fresh, if you have a chance from here until Wednesday, please do it.
For the project?
Yes,
Yes, I'm gonna start. That's what I was gonna do. Is I'm gonna start working a little bit on it, so we can start.
yes. Okay, that's good. Okay, if you do that, then yes, that's very important. Okay,
Okay then.
okay,
All right.
okay. Thanks.
Thank you.
Okay, take care.
All
Bye
right.
bye.
Bye.